Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I picked up this Makartt polygel kit, and this is the Seasonal Concertos. I think that's how you say it. But I want to show y'all what comes in this. I've never picked up a polygel kit before, but I got this one. I got this one, and I do have a coupon code, and it's Nina Ramos 84, and you get 15% off your order at Makartt. So let's open this. I'm gonna do one hand just to see how it is. I've never worn polygel before. I only wear acrylic, as y'all know, but I do have polygel, and I have used it on a few of my clients, or yeah. So let me open it. It comes in this box like this. Let me see. And it's a 16 color nail extension gel kit. So this is what it looks like. I like how this is. It's so pretty. And you get a pink file. This is what was on the top. And then you get your 16 colors, your base coat and your top coat. And you also get a brush with a spatula. I think this is one of their newer kits. And then on the bottom, in the bottom you get some dual forms. And you also have a little card. And then you have a booklet that tells you how to do it. So I'm gonna move the box out of the way, and we're gonna look at the colors. So here's this one. And they all have little covers, and I like that it has like a little tab so you can easily pull it off. Number 4, number 5, number 6, number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's like a gray. Okay, so these are all the colors in order from number 1601 all the way to 1616. Number 6 and number 16. I'm gonna use these two colors. Okay, so I filed my, I buffed them. Now I'm going to glue on my tips. I'm gonna use the not polished ones. I was gonna do the forms, but I'm not familiar with those. I've never used them before, so I'm just gonna do this way. So now I'm gonna take the base coat and I'm gonna apply it to all my nails, and I'm gonna cure for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. So I'm gonna take this blue color and I'm gonna apply it on my nail, and then I'm gonna take the white one and I'm gonna try and do a marble effect. Hopefully it turns out. I've never done marble with polygel. So I am using alcohol to move the product around. This didn't come with a slip solution or anything, but you do use alcohol to be able to mold the product and move it around. So I'm just gonna keep working with it until I get it how I like it. I'm just gonna shape it into the nail. I think I'm gonna do a stiletto-y almond shape. So I'm just gonna keep working with this. That's one thing I like about this, is that you can work with it until you think it's perfect, and it won't dry up or anything until you cure it in the LED lamp. It's not like acrylic. Acrylic will dry up fast if you don't work with it quick enough, and this doesn't. This takes you could take however long you need and it won't dry up. So I'm gonna add a little bit more right here at the cuticle area. And once I'm done molding this, I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds. And once I'm done curing that, I'm gonna check it and see if I need any more. And if I do, I'm gonna add a little bit more wherever I think needs more product. So right here, I'm gonna add more at the cuticle area. I'm gonna add some more of the blue, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of the white so I can marble a little bit at the top. And then I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna move on to the next nail.
Times you didn't let me down, but I'm no longer a liar. There's nothing to desire if you can't keep the fire. Turn the goddamn lights out. Lights out. let me down, but I'm no longer a liar. There's nothing to desire if you can't keep the fire. Turn the goddamn lights out. Lights There's something in between. Feel the vibes on your skin. It reminds me of that touch. Oh, I miss it all so much. Music used to play in here. Someday it disappeared. Silence ringing all around. Bodies over, lights out. As I'm drinking, I can't help thinking about the times you didn't let me down. But I'm no longer a liar. There's nothing to desire if you can't keep the fire. Turn the goddamn lights out. Lights I'm not breathing, I'm just feeling. I'm not breathing, feels like dreaming. I'm not breathing, I'm just feeling. I'm not breathing. Lights out. Lights
So this is how they turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video. I liked working with this. It was something different. I can't wait to do my other hand with another color. So like I said, I will leave this product in the description box, and don't forget to use my coupon code. You can save 15% off at the checkout. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell so you're notified of my next video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.